In this video, we will take a look at billing and usage. You will learn how to set spending notifications, view billing by service type, and how to export your usage summary. Let's get into it. Billing and usage enables you to view detailed information about your IBM Cloud spending. You can view billing by getting a monthly overview, or you can view it by specific service, and you can also export your usage as a CSV file. Next, we will take an in-depth look at billing and usage through a demo with the IBM Cloud console. So today I'll show you exactly how to see how much you've been billed in your account, how to set spending notifications, and then also how to upgrade your account. So firstly, let's go into billing. So we can click on this Manage tab at the top, and we can click on Billing and Usage. This will take us to the billing landing page where we can quickly change our payments or uses and then see more things such as orders, subscriptions, and quotes. So let's click on Usage. You can see now that we're in the July 2020 timeframe and that here our month-to-date spending is $78.59. You can see here on the left-hand side what type of service is being used and how much the cost is. So for example, I have my Watson Studio service that is being charged $78, and the rest of the services here, Cloud Object Storage, NLU, are all light tier, so they are $0. Next, we can quickly add a promotion or a promo code if we click on the Promotions tab in the left-hand side. We can click Apply here to add a promo code. If we want to click and create a spending notification, we'll just go on Spending Notifications in the left-hand side, and we can click on Enable here, and then add in your email address, and then click a threshold. So for this spending notification, every time I spend more than $1, I'll be notified. You can also set service-specific notifications, whereas here I've set my total account spending. You can create also more specific notifications as well. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully you learned a little bit about your account, how to view your billing and spending, how to set notifications, and thanks so much, and see you next time.